What's up, y'all? I'm gonna apologize now for the wind. I just had a tropical storm blow over me, but I've got an unboxing to do. I'm gonna open it up with my fidget spinner. I got this for free when I bought like some nunchucks and a boken, stuff like that. But you know, it's one of those places where if you buy so much, you get a free knife, and that's what they sent me. But I like that thing. One of my favorite knives. Anyway, this little package I got off of eBay, as I'm likely to do. Oh boy. It's a lot. So let's see if I can tilt this down to the table so y'all can see. I picked this up for 40 bucks, and there's 10 of them, so you know, $4 a piece, which ain't too shabby. But first off, TAC Force Speedster model. I'm just grabbing these semi-randomly. This is something I'm going to gift because I don't really do pink, but loosen that up a bit. This isn't why I bought this package. Yeah, I just need to loosen that up some, I think, or oil it. This one I'm planning on keeping. MTech Ballistic. Much better. This little piece is a bit uncomfortable in your hand, but I don't exactly plan on fighting with this. Got a bottle opener, pocket belt clip, little locking mechanism in here, all green and black. That black resin handle. What does that say? MT A705 stainless, USA design, handcrafted in China. This is one of the reasons why I bought this little knife lot off of eBay. I really like that. The other one needs some work, but it's pink. I'm planning on gifting it to like an aunt or a cousin or something for Christmas. I ain't keeping that one. I have a few knives like this that I've gotten over the years. Stainless steel, USA custom design, hand forged in China, Survivor, trademark. Just a little tactical knife, paracord wrapper on the handle. Little mini lanyard. I've used these a lot for camping knives. You know, you get a little fire starter thing and strike it on that. Probably gonna give this to my kid to replace one that he lost, that we got way back when he was a Cub Scout. I rather like that one. And much larger version of basically the same knife, all in black. This one's a Defender. Rather large knife. I'll probably go back and do an individual review on each of these. But I do like knives like this with these paracord handles that's just all steel. Just nothing to it. Make a good survival knife. Now these I'm gifting to uncles that are hunters. Zombie war. But they're just basic hunting skinning knives. Got a little skinning hook to gut something. Not so sure the sheath here is made for this. I mean, it won't buckle around. But, you know, you get what you pay for it. Just buy it off of eBay. But yeah, these are going to be some stocking stuffers for uncles. Defender Extreme. same thing.